Well, hello friends! How do you like this magic trick? In fact, well, there is no magic here. These are just specific properties of a magnet, which is capable of doing incredible things. Now I will show and tell you everything. So now what we're gonna do is assembling a pyramid from wooden skewers with the help of rubber bands. It will take a little bit of time, but I'm sure I'm gonna manage. So we take 3 skewers at a time. With the rubber band, we're gonna twist. And now we're just gonna divide it and try to get in the other skewers. Okay, good. 1 to go. Okay, good to go. This is going right up here. Whew, and this, kids, was totally not magic, just engineering. Good. I guess we're done. Now what we're gonna do next is we clamp a piece of thread, which I have here. And now I'm just going to attach the 2 magnets, which is the small ones, on the thread, which takes a little bit of time. Okay, magnets done, and then we take 3 other magnets, and you can see, don't stick. What is this amazing thing doing? So my little magnets are trying to choose a pole, yet if I'm gonna make it a little bit further, they will rotate in order to choose one friend. So each magnet actually has 2 poles, north and south, and the alike poles of magnets, they do repel, while the opposite one attracts. This is due to the fact that any magnet has attractive force, or currently expressed, a magnetic field. Well, the magnetic field is the area around the magnet within which the effect of the magnet on external objects is felt. Unfortunately, we cannot feel these fields because we're not iron, but in this case, you can see how it's just going through from one magnet to another without even touching them. There is a force between them. Did you know that Earth is also a real magnet, only a huge one? And like all the magnets, it has its own magnetic field, which for example helps migratory birds to navigate during long flights. Well, this is how amazing magnets are. But subscribe to the channel to know as many interesting facts as possible and to be able to bring them up to life. And until next time, don't forget, we're there with a lot of interesting videos and facts. See you soon!